Freshman year, I took Introduction to Liberal Arts, and that kind of really helped me explore some different areas, some anthropology, some sociology, and I kind of really learned a lot. But the more kinesiology courses I took, I think the more I realized that was something I was really passionate about and something I could really just keep digging into and make that my career choice.
When I meet with an undecided student, I try to let them know that it's actually not a negative thing that they're undecided. They're really more open a lot of times to different and new things rather than someone who 100% knows exactly what they want to do. So it's really an opportunity rather than a negative.
Monmouth is a particularly good place for an undecided student because of the personal attention that they receive, the ability to have not only their academic advisor help them navigate their major exploration, but also folks from the Wackerly to be able to assist with their career advising and how that ties to their academic goals and experiences as well.
Definitely just take your gen eds, take them really seriously, and even if it's not in a subject that you could see yourself in, just ask that professor about what their experiences were like until you find something that you're really passionate about, because there's no point in going to school and spending all this time if you're going to end up in a job or a career that you just don't like doing.
You only know what you have been exposed to, really, like career-wise. So I think when you go to a college and you hear about all of these different possibilities, it gives you a little time to become familiar, kind of know where your strengths lie and where your weaknesses lie and how those line up with other careers. And I always tell students, don't think about the career, think about what your interests are. What are your interests? Let's go there. Let's explore those interests. Then let's think of what career path that might be.